How much are ineffective negotiations costing your business each day? The research shows the price could be as high as $11,500 per day. And this is why all professionals need to master the basics of negotiation. So, what exactly is negotiation and how do you do it effectively? Negotiation is a structured communication process which focuses on deal making. Experienced negotiators know that following a step-by-step process makes the difference between successful and unsuccessful results. So, what are those steps? Step 1 is pre-planning. This involves thinking through the strategies and tactics you'll use during the negotiation, but it also involves developing a backup plan. This plan outlines what you'll do if you can't get a suitable agreement. This means that you can walk away from unprofitable deals confidently. Step 2 is opening and framing the negotiation. Remember that the person who opens the conversation is the one who leads the conversation, and so this is why framing skills are so essential. Step 3 is exploring needs and concerns. To do this, you need brilliant questioning, listening, and advocacy skills. And step 4 is generating win-win options and reaching an agreement. To get successful results here, resist the temptation to wing it and instead use solution building and consensus building tools. I've taught over 50,000 professionals how to use these tools successfully. Typically, these people want to feel more confident and in control of negotiations. Anyone with similar aspirations is an ideal candidate for my negotiation skills programs. Find out more about these by clicking on the link below this video.